Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds the backed up photos. This avoids deleting the wrong library. Once signed in, open Google Photos and check menu, then Settings, then Backup and Sync to confirm which folders are being backed up. Make sure you know if you want to remove cloud copies only, device copies only, or both. That decision changes which actions you take next. If multiple accounts appear, switch to the one with the target photos before continuing. You now select the items to delete, long press one photo, then tap others, or use search filters to narrow by date or person for efficiency. Once selected, tap the delete icon. Google Photos moves items to trash and prompts for confirmation. If you want permanent removal right away, open Trash and choose Delete Forever. Otherwise, items expire after 60 days. Make sure to check Archive too, since archived items remain in storage and need separate deletion to freeze. To finish, turn off Backup and Sync so your device won't upload deleted images. Next, delete local device copies from the Photos app or your phone's file manager when you want both cloud and device cleared. If photos reappear after deletion, make sure no other devices are signed in and syncing the same account, check shared libraries and partner accounts, and review Google Drive sync settings. If needed, wait a few minutes and then empty trash again to ensure permanent removal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.